Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect AirPlay on LG 43QNED80. To do it, you can click on the home button on your remote, then go to the home dashboard. So here will be the home dashboard, click on that, and then it will enable this screen and it will show you the AirPlay. So you can click on that now. Then it will open the AirPlay screen. And now go to AirPlay on your Apple device. So I'm gonna go to my Mac. And then I'm gonna show you that. So on my Mac, you can also do it on iPhone. Open screen mirroring. Then select your TV. Then enter the passcode which is being displayed on your screen. So let me do that. And now I am connected. It shows me on my Mac whether I want to share the entire screen, window or app, or extended display. I'm gonna use it as extended display and click on extend display. And now you can see that it works as my second display. I can move my mouse cursor to it and use it. So that's how you do it. And on an iPhone, I'm also gonna show you how to do it. So on an iPhone, you need to take your iPhone and slide from the right top part of your screen. Then you may see this button right here, which is for screen mirroring. Press and hold on it, then select your TV. If you don't see this button, then click on plus in top left corner, then click on add a control, and you could find the screen mirroring anywhere here. So just click on the screen mirroring and it will be added. I'm gonna delete it because I already have it. Then click on it, then enter the code which is also being displayed. So I'm gonna do it. Okay. And now I am connected. To disconnect, click on stop mirroring. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.